let's start the remaining part. Page number 22. Older, elder, oldest, and eldest. So difference between older, elder, oldest, and eldest. Elder and eldest. So elder and eldest are usually used for persons to talk about relationships. When there is a relationship, then this elder and eldest is used. They are used before a noun. So elder and eldest is used before a noun. Some of the examples given here are: my elder brother taught me to ride a bicycle. So brother, elder is used before the noun brother. So, and it says about the relationship. Everyone consult the eldest member of the family in matter of expenses. Now here again the relationship is shown. So elder and eldest is used. Older and oldest are most generally used to refer to the age of things, though they may also be used to talk about relationships. Now this older and oldest is also used in talk of relationships, but here generally we used to refer to the age of things. Okay, this older and oldest we used to refer about we used to tell about the age of things, and they can be used both before noun and after the verb. So now the examples given here are: the Red Fort is one of the oldest monument. So it's used before the noun monument. This bag is older, that one is new, used after the verb is. So Sabah is older to my brother, used after the verb is. So it's been used after the verb also, before the verb also, used after the verb before the noun also has been used. Come to the E part, complete the sentences with older, oldest, elder, or eldest. Check out the notes, I have given it there. Come to the further, furthest, further, furthest. So further, furthest are used for distance away from the speaker. When there is a distance away from the speaker, when there is a length of between this speaker and what we are talking about, then we use further and furthest. For example, the school is the further end of the road from my house. It's a distance we are talking about. So further is used. We had walked to the farthest point of the woods and hence we got lost. So now again it's distance we are talking about. So further or furthest is used. Further is more commonly used to suggest more or additional. So when we say like suggestion, we use like suggest more or additional things, then further, further, further is used. For example, they ask us to contact the office for further details about the school timings. So it's like suggestions, suggest more or it's an additional thing. The students collected further information about the dinosaurs from the internet. So it's like suggestions again, or it's additional things about the information of the dinosaur. So further, further is used. For example, coming to the furthest. Furthest is more commonly used in same sense as furthest. Now furthest and furthest both are more commonly used, but still we have to segregate out. For example, this is the furthest or furthest. Now both can be used here. I could walk on foot. The tribes of Gond are the furthest or furthest from civilization. So we can use both FUR or we can use FAR. So in these cases both are same. Now F part, complete the sentences with further, furthest, further or furthest. These things I have already done. Please check the app. I've said notes. Take out page number 24. Okay, page number 24, G part. Tick the correct adjectives in this passage about learning to be happy. Now this part I have certain notes, but I have only what I have done is like I have given the I have written the correct answer in the fill in the blanks. Okay, I didn't give any brackets or something else. Only the correct answers I have already mentioned. Now Always remember whenever we have finished the chapter. Okay, so always remember when you go through my videos, always take out your books, go to the page numbers, go to the lines, then only you will understand more better. Let's go to the summary part. Okay, in this chapter we have learned that it refers to individual items, so it is referred to the individual item in a list of two or more. So it means two or more. Every refers to individual items in a group of three or more. When there is a three or more, then every is used. Both are used with singular nouns. We use many with plural countable nouns, much with singular uncountable nouns. Many plural countable nouns, much singular uncountable nouns. Always remember. Now these are the rules. Okay, this is some of the rules by which we don't get confused. Okay, these are like confusing adjectives. Now we don't need any confusions. That's why these are some of the rules that we have to follow. Coming to the next one, little and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Few and a few are used with plural countable nouns. Elder and elders are used to talk about people's relationship. Older and oldest are mostly used to talk about the age of a thing. Okay, also relationship is also there. And further and furthest are used to talk about the distance away from the speaker. Further suggests something additional, some suggestions more. And furthest can be used interchangeably. Interchangeably means we can use both. Okay, maybe further if you write, then also furthest if you write, then that is also correct, and if you write farthest, then also it's a correct one. Okay, so we have finished the chapter. I'm going to give in my next video, I'm going to make you learn the determiners, the fifth chapter. Okay, thank you all of you.